Hello, my name's Edward from Yorkshire Vehicle Solutions. Just want to take a moment to walk around this stunning Bentley Bentayga that's just come into stock with us. It's a 2018 Bentayga V8 diesel, finished in this stunning Glacier White with a lovely black pack, the stunning 22-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels as well. The car is in excellent condition. It's a two-owner vehicle, done just over 50,000 miles. Some nice bits of specification as well. Got the two-tone interior we'll get to shortly, the Beluga black and the linen. We've got the Bentley dynamic ride system as well. We've got the panoramic roof. Really is an excellent example. No marks on any of the alloys, no dents, no scratches. Come into the interior here. Got that massive tilt and slide panoramic roof there. All the leather's in very good condition. Into the front. Here. See the mileage there, 53,835. Just have to turn down the aircon fans for a second. We've also got all this lovely switch gear as part of the Bentley's nature. All of this nailed aluminium as well, even on the pulls for the aircon vents. You've got your infotainment system, the sat nav, Bluetooth, dual climate control here. All the different driver modes and such, individual armrests, storage, a couple of USBs back there, and the owner's manual too. Car has a full service history, last carried out in January 25. Do let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see, anything I may have missed, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you.